Hi, Twin Flames. This reading is for Divine Masculine for those who are in separation and no communication. I do have another playlist for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. So if you're not sure if this reading is for you, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is not gender specific and it's timeless and only divine masculine energy. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services and my December specials will be out on my Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to do some big specials for December, so you can get them there. My links are below. And please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate your help. I would love to improve my channel for you. All right, then let's see what's happening, Divine Masculine. I'm doing recent, past, present, immediate, future, and a message for these readings. All right, then let's see. Recent past. The first card that came out for you was the reversed magician. And the magician is a very powerful card. He is a very powerful manifester. He goes heaven down to earth, highly spiritual card for me. His back is watched. He's got a lot of people following. He might be a spiritual teacher or guide of some kind. But the magician is about having that extreme power to manifest. And number one is about new beginnings. Okay, and having the magician in reverse, I feel like in the recent past you felt very powerless. Very powerless in regards to your twin flame connection, powerless in manifesting a new beginning, powerless in I feel reigniting the passion between you and your divine feminine as well. unable to make your heart and soul sing with joy and your divine feminine's heart sing with joy with a passion card over here. I feel like you really just wanted to sweep your divine feminine off her feet, and I say she and he just to keep it easy. But please take it as it resonates. It's not gender specific. I feel like you wanted to sweep your divine feminine just off her feet and really just soak into the energies of this passionate connection with her, but felt completely unable to do so and powerless in actually doing so. You might have been blocked. That just came up for some. Your divine feminine may have blocked you. That could be a reason why you could not do it, but there could be many other reasons as well, not necessarily that you've been blocked. All right. For some, there may have been a marriage or another solid commitment. There may have been children. With this 10 of Pentacles, this is the family. And this is the present. This is your present divine masculine. So I'm just saying and I'm just mentioning because I pick up on the energy. For some, there might have been a marriage or some other commitment involved. And that might have been the reason why you were unable to have this new beginning with your divine feminine and manifest this beautiful passionate connection. Um, in your present right now, this is all you can think about, is having that happily ever after with your divine feminine, having a new beginning with the number one over there, and after a cycle has been finished. So if there was another commitment or marriage, I feel that this cycle is ended or are ending at this stage. It's closing out that karmic cycle, and you are currently moving into the energies of a new beginning and just thinking and wishing and hoping and feeling this happily ever after with your divine feminine. Um, Wanting to spend your life together, making solid commitments, have the home, the kids, the dog, the grandpa, that family type and environment with your divine feminine. There is, however, something you are working on with a practice card over here. And this card says, with daily practice, you can polish your skills and talents and increase your confidence. I do feel you are working on your confidence here to come forward towards your divine feminine, make some kind of offers, not some kind of offers. You want a really strong new beginning and a happily ever after. You want to make some solid commitments to your divine feminine. This practice, I pick up on a few different energies here, so it would be different for different divine masculines. Some of you are maybe studying and practicing some skills in regards to finances and career to build this stability so that you can offer that abundance to your divine feminine, not only just the love, but also the financial stability as well. And for some, I feel this is you working on yourself. This is you working on yourself. This card is about doing things over and over and over again until it becomes automatic, becomes a habit, really polishing your skills. And I feel like you are working on yourself, your divine masculine, continuously working on yourself to close out some cycles within yourself and change some things in yourself as well with this card, so that you can actually come forward and be the divine masculine that your divine feminine deserve. And then I hear some divine masculines rehearsing with this card, rehearsing words, trying to figure out what to say. So you definitely want to come forward here, reach out to your divine feminine in some way, get a hold of her in some way if you've been blocked, but not sure how, not sure what to say, not sure what to say that your divine feminine will actually receive you well. I do feel for those that I'm channeling here for today, your divine feminine is pretty angry. And she's probably not going to make it easy. And I feel like some divine masculines are really rehearsing and trying to figure out what to say so that they do not get cut out again, don't get blocked again if you've been unblocked maybe, or just not stir up the wrong feelings within the divine feminine, so that she would actually give you a chance here. All right. And then in the immediate future, you come up as the King of Wands over here. Now, the King of Wands is a very interesting king. He often comes through as someone with commitment problems. But the thing with the King of Wands, it comes from the page, which is the player, then moves through the night energy, which is still got that resistance to fire, very hard to commit. Definitely, then he's got some commitment problems. But once moving into this king energy, this King of Wands will commit to one woman, and that is the Queen of Wands. He's a very free spirit, venturous, very fire energy, very energetic king, non-traditional, and he runs wild. He runs wild, this king, and he will settle with a woman that runs wild with him, and that is the Queen of Wands. So this king will settle when he finds his Queen of Wands. And you can see here with the lion lying below the lover's feet over here, this symbolizes timed aggression, timed sexuality, timed player energies, all the things this king has timed within himself. And is he ready there with his wand that's sprouting new shoots, ready for that new beginning with his queen? And this is where you are moving into in the very near future. Immediate future, actually. Here I'm channeling the immediate future, coming through as this King of Wands. I do, however, feel there is still something as you are stepping into this king energy. There's still something that you need to work on with yourself, divine masculine, so that you can step into this King of Wands energy that will commit to your Queen of Wands, your divine feminine. And this is what you are practicing over here in the present. This is working on yourself. And I feel what you're working on here. You can see this king is wearing a garment with salamanders, yellow garment with salamanders on, which symbolize resistance to fire, fear of getting hurt, fear of rejection, fear of abandonment. And this is what you're working on. You are working on timing that fear within yourself that your divine feminine will reject you, that she will not receive you, she will abandon you. So this is what you are working on in the present so that you can step into this king energy and actually come forward and offer your flame to your divine feminine. And here it is. Yes, here it is. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. This is you in the present working on yourself to step into the energies of this King of Wands that is definitely very confident. This king knows his worth and he's very confident. He's got a lot of self-respect. So this is what you're working on, to step into this energy so that you can confidently and with a lot of self-respect come forward towards your divine feminine. I believe you may have lost a lot of confidence and self-respect in regards to your divine feminine. Obviously because of what happened in the past and the things that are that ended this connection or caused separation, the no communication and all those kind of things. But you are in the very near future, immediate future, you are stepping into that King of Wands energy as you've been working on yourself. And then your message, divine masculine from spirit, is the death. And spirit is saying, yeah, you are making a transformation here, divine masculine. You are most definitely leaving behind what you need to leave behind, and you are coming towards where you belong, which is your divine feminine. You just need to keep going. All right, and this card is about death and rebirth. So death is obviously what you're leaving behind, whether that's another commitment, whether it's things in yourself or whatever the situation is, and there will be rebirth. There will be rebirth of this connection. So this is a validation from spirit saying, divine masculine, your divine feminine will receive you. There will be a rebirth of this connection. And then the message continues and say, you've got the power. You do have the ability to resolve the situation. You can do it. And all it's going to take is focus and balance. And you can see here on this card, there's a very thin line over there, and this little girl is walking over it, and she's going to pass. She's going to cross this bridge on that thin line. And the only thing that she needs is focus and balance. And this is what I feel Spirit saying to you. You do have the power, divine masculine. You just need some focus and balance. And then you will be able to rebirth this connection. I'm going to leave it there. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. Get my specials for December on my Facebook and Instagram. My links are below. I'm going to put up some big specials for December. And please like, share, and subscribe. And help me get to that 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. Hit that subscribe button. It's right over here at the bottom. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, divine masculine.